Hello, and welcome to another update video on FET. Yeah, Fetch.ai continues to hold below even our first resistance. So you see these levels, they continue to be respected in a bearish way, actually. So the market has not been able to push above the first pivot, above the 29-cent level, and pressure remains downward. In both the yellow and the white scenario, further downside appears likely. I haven't got any evidence that a low is in. We could, however, still work on a larger B wave. So a larger bounce remains a possibility in this yellow scenario. But I would need to see a turnaround here, would need to see some upside momentum that will then, or that should lead to a break above lower resistance, and then we can reach upper resistance in this B wave. So the yellow scenario remains possible. The yellow scenario remains plausible. But I need to see a reaction in this region, or the white scenario will really take the lead here. In both counts, as I said, the overall correction looks incomplete. I spent quite a bit of time in the last few days confirming that we have a 5-wave move down. So in one scenario, I can label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in yellow wave A. Then this would be the A wave to the upside of the B wave bounce, because after 5 waves down in wave A, we should get a B wave, and that is an A, B, C. And then from up there, we can get a C wave decline, A, B, C. In the white scenario, we already completed waves A and B, and we're forming a more direct decline like this. So it really depends on this current pullback now, whether, or to signal to us, whether we are in a more direct move down in the white count, or whether this is the B wave pullback in a larger B wave and we go up first and then come down. Both possible. I mean, the direct move down would look very bearish, I have to say, because there's just no activity of the bulls. There are no buyers. I mean, where are they, right? At least if we could get a high B wave or a B wave of sort that is noticeable, then it would signal to us that the bulls are still there. The buyers are still there somewhere. But pressure appears downward for now, in a very direct fashion. So 22.6 cents is next support. If we see a move up from here and break above the last high that formed here around 27.5 cents, then this would signal that the yellow B wave is likely playing out and could send the price into that upper resistance area. Until that happens, pressure is downward, and the 100% extension target that we talked about over the last few days remains at 18.1 cents. That's a target in case the B wave already topped, which could send us lower like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 100% extension is a target that is very often reached. It's the same length in wave A, same length in wave C, with a weak bounce. So these are kind of the parameters at the moment. Nothing clearly bullish at this point. We need to see a micro 1-2 setup to the upside to signal a larger recovery is underway. So that's the update on FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to check out our X channel as well. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.